and I did it. So right now we got a real locksmith out here.
Oh yeah.
The real deal, Holyfield. The one and only, the myth, the legend.
That's crazy. The legend and the myth.
The myth, the legend. And of course, this is out of my, this is out of my level of expertise. So we had to get the real locksmith here. And this is the immobilizer that apparently needs to be replaced, so.
Yeah, the other car was already like halfway destroyed, so it was kind of hard to navigate.
That's what I love about the junkyard. I love that about it. When I go collect some ignitions or just go there to train and stuff like that, they already got a lot of the plastic and the stuff out the way, so it ain't all in your way. You know, so.
Mom's second number.
Hey, Mom, what's going on? Yeah. Hey, Mom, I'm at a job. I'm going to call you and catch up with you shortly. All right, love you, bye. What'd you say, boss?
How that plastic kind of comes off there.
Yeah.
Pretty sure it's just kind of like...
That OBD unplugs from there, or what is that? Is that the OBD? Was that one screw?
One thing holding it back. I think there's like a screw up under there.
What is it, Phillips?
No.
Oh.
More like a ratchet screw. You know what I'm saying?
Is that my phone? No, that's your phone.
Yeah, I have to go right up there, but this piece wasn't this annoying on the other car.
Oh, he has to pop out.
Oh yeah, there's that fucking whole-ass hidden screw. I told you there was a hidden screw somewhere. Knew it. I knew a hidden screw when I feel it.
Yeah, so what? Do you have to, how do you remove that?
This piece right here.
Some plastic.
Safely, dude. See the screws right there. That sports betting thing?
What'd you say?
Is that sports betting thing going on?
The what?
Is that sports betting app like Jasper?
Nah, he was trying to get me to get it a little while ago, but yeah. I was doing it last year. This year I haven't really messed with it at all. Yeah. I ain't really fooled with it, man. Been so busy with work and everything, man. Hardly have time to do anything really these days. So.
Looks really, I wish it was like the Pontiac. Can't believe they found this fucking key.
You said the Pontiac what, bro?
Pontiac's face. Come over here to the passenger side and maybe hold this light.
Yeah. You said come over to the passenger? Okay, I guess our door don't open all the way. That's weird. You said the light? Where's the light at? I got you. Oh, that's cute.
I know, right? It's like right up there. You see it?
From this angle, I can't, but
Yeah, it's like up here.
is that where it releases it though?
Yeah.
It's one pin? I mean,
There's 3 screws
three.
up in this bitch.
Oh, wow.
Fucking ridiculous. I know. Wish they made it like easier. But let's see if this one's the same. Yeah, it's definitely the same.
Can you see the light or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, well, damn, there's a light on the drill. That's dope. Yeah, I think that little plate is like, I don't know. I think that, I don't know.
I know it added some more room for me to reach up there.
Right on.
Better than taking apart the
Dashboard and all that.
Exactly.
For sure.
Hold on, I gotta answer this. Hey, how are you doing? Can you hear me? Oh, pretty good. Working, how are you? Oh, yeah. My bad, I just got a little bit caught up with the day, but what's going on? Oh yeah, I basically got pulled over. I had my hazard lights on, and they pulled me over because my hazard lights were on. They wanted to make sure everything was okay, situation like that, and then gave me a ticket for my headlight because my hazards were on because my headlight went out on my way home. Basically, yeah, and I didn't have insurance on my car, so they got me for that. I gotta go up there and show them that. Alright, sounds good. You as well. Bye. I think this one's actually going to be easier than the other one, not going to lie. I have like a lot
Do you
more...
need a... Oh, I don't have extension for that small. Never mind.
No, you're good. I'm going to show you something crazy. This one's going to work better than the other one, though, for sure. I'm going to go grab like my headlight, though. See if maybe I can...
Dang, it looks like it's about to storm, huh?
I know, it does. I mean, hopefully not. No, it's fine.
They say if you stay ready, you ain't got to get ready. He looks prepared, huh? Yeah, he's definitely prepared. Oh, there goes the rain. Look at the Apple key cutting machine.
Oh yeah, check this out. You see that right there? Scan it real fast. Set you on. Scan it, see what pulls up.
Scan it?
Yeah, with your QR code.
How do I do that?
Go to your camera.
Oh, just go to camera and let's see what pops up. He says scan it. Oh shit. What the heck? Yo, that's tough. Yo, I respect you for that. What the heck? I don't even have that. How'd you do that?
I'll get one for you.
What the heck? This dude's legit right here. The real deal. No, I got a lot of respect for you for that. I appreciate that. That's crazy, actually.
Oh yeah, no, I have you know what? Jasper has one too.
Yo, look at this again. Check this out. This is crazy work. So you scan the QR. Oh, scan it. Click the link. Takes you to us. Keys are us. Keys are us. 5-star rating, baby. 189 5-star reviews. Let's go. Let's check out the pictures.
Yes, sir.
That's crazy, though. That's dope.
Oh yeah, I put one
That's
on
super
Jasper's
dope.
key machine too. And what's funny is I told him, I said, yeah, we'll put it on the part of your key machine that goes up. That way, like if you ever got a customer sitting there staring at you and they're looking at your key machine, they see that, you know, at least you got it flipped up.
Right.
Yeah, you want one of these?
Oh, no, thank you. I don't drink soda. I just let the monsters go. That's worse than soda, to be honest with you, but
Oh yeah, them monsters.
yeah, bro, my bones was aching and everything. I was like, man, I gotta leave that alone.
Yeah, them monsters, man. They would.
The real locksmith, y'all see him? He's got the Milwaukee light on, man. He's ready to go to war. Yes, sir.
I hate these jobs sometimes. They would. Hopefully it's plug and play, like Andrew said.
Yeah, hopefully. That would be good for us, for sure, man.
Exactly. I'm trying to pump this shit in good.
I've been here some hours. I didn't know what to do. You good on the... Oh, well, yeah, you got light up there, look like. Damn, where's that light coming from? Oh, no, yeah, I knew that. I was just joking. I always lose my headlights. I don't even think I have one. I think I lost the last one I had.
You know, this one's the best one because it's only like fucking $50 and it really like honestly like...
Y'all hear this rich guy? He said only $50.
Hey, it's
Man.
rechargeable. The other ones are like this expensive, but you lose them and
He said only $50, you guys. That's crazy. Like that's just cheap or something. That's expensive as hell. I think I only paid like $12 for mine. He could have bought 4 of mine for 1 of his. He's rich though, guys. He's rich, so he makes a lot of money.
off Locksmith.
Keys are us.
It's probably one of my complaints.
Do you have the original key, sir? Oh, okay, so we're making a completely new one. You'll be looking at roughly $150. And I can have someone to you probably within about 30 to 45 minutes. Did you want to go ahead and get it done today, or? Yes, sir, that's fine. I'll talk to you shortly. I'll be waiting for your call. All right, thank you. Yep, no problem. All my phones are dying at the wrong time. They're both dying.
I hate that shit.
I'm just waiting on this
I
video.
didn't get this last screw out last time, so hopefully this time
Y'all, when the video stops, that's because the battery died. It's on like 4%. So
I'm working on it. I'm getting this other job done right now. I'll be there soon. Nah, wait a little bit. I'll call you when to go. Don't worry. I'm in Leavenworth. So we'll match up times.
I like that little extended cable thing. That's pretty dope. I need to invest in one of those.
Look at this shit. See?
And see, guys, this is a prime example. You can learn so much from other people, man. We're all different people. We all know different things. I have never seen something like that before in my life.
Hopefully you never have to again.
Straight up. I still want it, though. I still want that extension. I'm going to buy one just in case I run into something like this.
A couple tabs on these, not this specific job.
You guys see the angles he's getting?
I know, man.
All from having that extension. It's like a flexible extension, which is pretty legit. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I'm full retard right now.
I'm impressed. This is why I say real locksmith. He has everything. He's prepared for everything.
I think I finally got it. Let's see. No. Damn. Let's give this hand a break for a second. See how it's getting there, though, right?
Yeah, I'd say it feels a little looser now, but yeah. Check out the extension. Where'd you actually buy that one from?
Harbor Freight.
Oh, right on. Okay. That's dope. It's black and orange. I like the design of it too. It looks pretty fancy.
Yeah, I gotta get this whole ass thing out the way. Because it's getting annoying. It's metal.
Oh, that plate thing. Yeah, that metal plate thing.
Pretty good, man. I don't know what to do. Just bend that metal plate. Got the left-handed motor on this one. Second, I gotta give it a little break. Shit's going nuts with it. Right whenever I'm about to get it, that shit falls off.
Came off?
Yeah, a little socket thing.
Oh, right on, right on.
Right when I was about to get it.
Oh shit! Shoot! I need to shut my man door before. Yeah, it's raining tough. Oh, it just dropped completely. The ignition did. That was the last one, huh? Yes, sir. It's got to be unplugged or something.
Yeah, it's like plugged.